Hello and welcome to another video of Any Academy. Today we're going to look into adjectives ending with ed and ing. So without further ado, let's begin. So adjectives. What is adjectives? Adjective is something that describes a noun or modifies a noun. So by knowing that, let's look into an example first. She is a pretty girl. So what is a noun here? Girl is a noun here. Okay, so something that describes a noun is known as adjective. I've already told, right? So here what is the adjective? Pretty. Pretty is the adjective here. So the girl is being described as pretty. So this pretty is adjective in this sentence. So let's look into some usages. Here we have ed usages ending with ed usages, and here we have ing ending usages. So I'll just say each and everything, okay? So looking into the first one, Sam was bored at home. So here we can understand that it's ending with ed, right? So ed is feelings of a person. Okay, so ed ending words are used as feelings of a person. Then moving on, the movie was boring. So ing is used to show effect on something. Okay, so we understood that, right? So Sam was bored. So boring is a feeling, right? Getting bored is a feeling. So it's also an emotion. So here Sam was bored. We cannot say Sam was boring. Boring, it makes the sentence wrong. The movie was boring. So this movie, the movie effect is what is called boring. Okay, moving on to the next one. I'm not interested in sport. So interest is an emotion or a feeling. So when we are saying about feeling, I've already told you ed is what it is and what it ends with. So I'm not interested in sports. Moving on, watching basketball is interesting. Okay, watching cricket or football is what interests us. Okay, so when we say that, we have to use ing because watching basketball is having an effect on me and that is interesting. So we are using ing and we are not using interested here, which will be a wrong usage. Okay, moving on, my friend is annoyed. So annoying is a feeling. It's like an irritation or when we get irritated. So it's a feeling, right? So we have to say annoyed. We are using ed here. Okay, we cannot say my friend is annoying. Then the meaning of the sentence completely changes. So be careful when you're using adjective. My friend is annoyed means my friend is feeling annoyed. Okay, moving here, I had an annoying day. So the effect of the day is annoying. Okay, so we are using ing here. So why are we using ing here? Because it's the effect on that day. Okay, moving on, I am very excited. Excited means we are very we are looking forward to something. Okay, so we use the emotion or we have the feeling exciting. So we are using here ed because we are saying something about emotion or a feeling. So we can use I am excited. We don't say I am very exciting, which is not the correct usage. Okay, moving on, this place looks exciting. So the effect on this place is what is called exciting. Okay, so we are using ing. So this place, day, basketball, movie, all these, I have an effect on those, I use ing. Here, Sam is getting bored is a feeling. Sports, I'm interested in sports is usage of ed. Then my friend is annoyed. Then I am very excited. So I hope this video was beneficial for you. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.